What's up, T-Bad family? Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. We have amazing budget-friendly dishes for couples of 2, families of 4, never over $20. I know we're dealing with a lot of uncertain, unprecedented times right now. People trying to stretch that last bit of money they have, not working, working at home, waiting on unemployment, government to do their job. But today we have an amazing dish. We have an Italian basil stuffed chicken with feta, pesto, zucchini noodles. And guess what? A dinner for 2 is only $8. That's right, $8. And I just want to give a special thank you and a shout out to all my new subscribers for tuning into my channel. Definitely want to keep this going for you. If you could, just please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so anytime I submit a video, it sends a link out to you. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in, and let's get started on our video. Stop. Stop. Go. Okay. Go. Go. Alright guys, there you have it. We have an Italian basil stuffed chicken with feta, pesto, zucchini noodles. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Fabian. This is the T-Bag channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, bye!